Still building dashboards with manual pivot tables and charts? Wasting hours, right? Not anymore. Just ask, and Excel AI builds your entire dashboard in seconds. Let's jump in. Here's the data set we've just received, ready for us to explore and analyze. It includes month, product, total sales, units sold, customer ratings, and returns. Now, suppose we want to quickly find out, across the entire year, which 5 products have the lowest customer ratings. How would you approach this? Well, what if I told you it only takes 2 clicks? First, click Analyze Data. Sometimes the answer shows up right away. But since this is a specific question, we'll just type, "Give me 5 products with the lowest customer ratings." Hit Enter, and here's the result. It shows the bottom 5 products by average customer rating. From there, I can insert a pivot table and instantly see the answer on a new sheet. If I want more detail about the product with the lowest rating, I just double-click it, and Excel automatically creates a new sheet with all the underlying data. This detail comes from a standard pivot table feature. But the best part is, we didn't even need to know how to build one. Just go to Home, Analyze Data, and the insights are only a click or 2 away. It's like having a mini data analyst built right into your spreadsheet. The beauty of this feature is that it works on almost any data set, whether it's sales, HR, finance, or inventory. Another scenario, maybe you want to see sales performance by month. Just type, "Show me monthly sales trends." In seconds, you get a chart showing which months performed best, highlighting peaks and dips. This is extremely powerful when presenting to managers or clients because you can answer questions on the spot. And here's where it gets even better. AI suggestions often come with ready-to-use visualizations. Instead of just numbers, it recommends charts like line graphs, bar charts, or stacked columns to help you instantly spot patterns. The real power of AI in Excel is that it doesn't stop at one question. It works across all the columns in your data set. Let's take a few more examples to see just how useful this can be. Suppose you want to know, region-wise, which region has the highest total sales. Just type it here like region-wise, highest total sales, and press Enter. With one click, the AI gives you the ranking of each region by sales, along with a bar chart. You don't need to group or sum anything manually. If you click Insert Pivot Chart, you can turn it into a bar chart that instantly shows your strongest and weakest regions. It also automatically inserts a pivot table. Quickly identify top-performing and underperforming regions with automated sales ranking and visual charts. Next, let's try Customer Segment. Suppose you want to know, "Show me profit by customer segment." Simply type this question in your AI-enabled Excel tool and press Enter. The AI will automatically scan your dataset and calculate the total or average profit for each customer segment. You don't need to manually filter, group, or sum anything. The AI can generate a chart for you, like a bar chart, showing the profit per segment. This instantly highlights which segments are more profitable. For example, you can quickly see if wholesale generate more profit than retail customers. If you want, you can click Insert Pivot Table/Pivot Chart. The AI will automatically create it for you. You can customize the chart anytime by right-clicking and selecting Change Chart Type. Quickly identify your most profitable customer segments and make data-driven decisions. Next, payment methods are another great example. Just ask, "Which payment method is used most frequently?" Automatically count the occurrences of each payment method in your dataset. You don't need to manually tally or filter the data. This insight helps you optimize your checkout process and prioritize popular payment options. Finally, profitability. Let's say you want to know, Which 5 products had the highest profit? The AI automatically calculate the profit for each product and rank them from highest to lowest. You don't need to manually sum or sort anything. Quickly identify top-performing products to focus on high-profit items and drive revenue growth. So as you can see, we're not just analyzing numbers, we're asking real business questions. No complex formulas, no manual grouping, no scrolling through endless rows. And the amazing part is, all of this comes back in plain English, ready to use in pivot tables or charts. And once you find the insight you need, you can always customize it. Maybe adjust the pivot table layout, add filters for year or region, or change the chart style to match your presentation. This is why we like to call it a mini data analyst inside Excel. It doesn't replace your skills, but it supercharges them. That's it! With just a few clicks, Excel's AI helps you analyze data faster and smarter. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.